byo intore zatojwe harimo no gutegura urugamba ndetse no gutanga amabwiriza yabo. Iki cyumba nicyo cyateguriwe cyo gutangirwamo amabwiriza y'urugamba. Agiye gutangwa n'umuyobozi w'isibo platoon commander muri rw'icyongereza. Amabwiriza y'urugamba agizwe n'ibice bitatu. Igice cya mbere umuyobozi w'isibo abagaragariza abayobozi b'ingamba section commanders imiterere y'ubutaka bagiye kurwanira. Igice cya kabiri ababwira imva n'imvano y'urugamba review of the situation. Igice cya gatatu agatanga amabwiriza y'urugamba issue of battle orders. Nyakubahwa Minisitiri w'Intebe utwemereye na umwanya umuyobozi w'isibo agatanga.
Sir, I'm Sergeant Shaka Francis, number 1 section commander.
Sir, I'm Sergeant Mshimimana Aziza, number 2 section commander. Sir, I'm Sergeant Awais Mfano, number 3 section commander. Sir, I'm Sergeant Kuzapitia, at section commander.
Sir, I'm Sergeant Intore Kusechi, also bearing section commander.
Sir, I'm Sergeant Kwizera Umena Josue, 1st team commander.
All group,
Sir!
Sit down. Aid Post Orientation. The Aid Post is composed of Master Operations Map, Concept of Operations, Radio Net Diagram, Authentication Table, and the SAN model. Model Description. The model in front of us represents our area of operation. It is extracted from the maps of Burera and Musanze, all to the scale of 1 over 50,000. It is oriented to the north as shown by that arrow. It extends from eastings 2-4 to 4-2, and northings 3-2 to 4-6. It is made to scale so the black cylinder represents markets, like Musanze Market. The house image represents built-up areas, like Gahunga built-up area. The plain image represents airstrips, like Musanze airstrip. The bridge symbol represents bridges, like Kagwasa bridge. The names on the model represent known locations, like Karangana. The numbers surrounding the model represent grid coordinates. Review of the situation. Rwanda Republic and Rugari Republic are 2 neighboring countries, both sharing one common border and both gaining independence during the 1960s. Rugari regime and its security forces committed genocide, fleeing to the Rwanda Republic, maintaining their genocidal ideology. With the support of the Rwanda government, genocidal perpetrators from Rugari Republic formed a new militia group known as Nyangarirama Forces. The goal of this militia group is to sustain and build their genocidal ideology, bringing it back to Rugari Republic. On 30th July 24, Nyangarirama Forces invaded Rugari Republic along the Sinabdaye, Ninda, Chuve axis with the intention of capturing Musanze town. But Rugari forces successfully repulsed them and they withdrew back to the Rwanda territory. On 13th August 24, at 0800 hours, intelligence report confirmed enemy section of Nyangarirama forces dug in at Ngarika, grid reference 282439. Consequently, 1-4 Battle Group Commander tasked Alpha Combat Team to deal with the situation. In turn, Alpha Combat Team Commander called his O Group and tasked number 1 platoon to attack and defeat Nyangarirama forces. So, ladies and gentlemen, that is why we are here. O Group!
Sir!
Orders! Situation. Enemy forces. Strength. 1 infantry section. Disposition. 1 section with Alpha Fire Team deployed at the right of the objective, and Bravo Fire Team at the left of the objective, at Ngarika, grid reference 282439. Intention, to mislead our force. Likely reaction, to withdraw when hit hard. Weapons, AK-47, MMG, 60mm mortar, and launcher 7. Dress, mix of civilians and combat dress. Friendly forces, Alpha Combat Team Commander's intent. Attack to defeat enemy section in the general area of Ngarika. Mission.
Mission.
Number 1 platoon is to attack and defeat enemy section at Ngarika. Grid reference 282439 by 230515 Bravo, August 24, in order to facilitate the Alpha Combat Team Commander's plan. Mission.
Mission.
Number 1 platoon is to attack and defeat enemy section at Ngarika. Grid reference 282439 by 230515 Bravo, August 24, in order to facilitate the Alpha Combat Team Commander's plan. Execution. Concept of operation. Intent. Attack to defeat enemy section at Ngarika. Grid reference 282439 to create conditions for further operations by Alpha Combat Team. Scheme of maneuver. Number 1 platoon is to attack and defeat the enemy section dug in at Ngarika. Grid reference 282439. During assault, number 1 section is to assault the enemy from my left. Number 2 section to assault the enemy from my right. And number 3 section to form reserve, ready to undertake any tasks on order. Anti-tank section to destroy enemy tanks. Assault pioneer section to enhance mobility throughout the operation. Mortar team to hour 0515 hours. Enemy to be defeated by 230630 August 24. Moves. Order of march from concentration area to forming up place. Number 3 section to lead. Platoon headquarters to follow. Number 2 section to follow. Number 1 section to cover the rear. From forming up place to the objective, adopt battle formation. Service support. Ammo. Each soldier to carry first line ammunition. Replenishment as per expenditure. Feeding. Combat ration packs to be carried throughout the operation. Medical. Each soldier to carry first aid kit. Medical orderly and signal. Command. Locations of command. From concentration area to forming up place behind number 3 section. From forming up place to the objective behind 2 forward sections. Alternative command. Number 1 section commander.
Sir!
You will take over and accomplish the mission in case of any eventuality.
Point noted, sir!
Signal. Primary means of communication. Very high frequency radio. Channel. Operation channel. Channel 5. Alternate channel. Channel 6. Call sign as per radio net diagram. Password. Challenging word. Simba. Response. Majani. Password to be changed after 24 hours. Ogru.
Sir!
Stand up and I will emphasize the concept of operations. Number 1 platoon has been tasked to attack and defeat enemy section dug in at Ngarika. Grid reference 282439. During movement, number 3 section to lead and secure, forming up place and start line. Number 2 section to move as part of number 1 platoon. And number 1 section to cover the rear. During assault, we shall adopt battle formation. Number 1 section, assault the enemy to the left. Number 2 section, assault the enemy to the right. Number 3 section, form reserve, ready to undertake destroy enemy mortars. Exploit success in 500 meters beyond the operation. Number 1 and number 2 section, reorganize in 300 meters beyond the objective. Number 3 section, reorganize in 200 meters beyond the objective. Ogru.
Sir!
Any questions?
No questions, sir!
Ogru.
Sir!
Synchronize your watches according to mine. Time now is 11:55. When I say time, time will be 11:56. Wait. Five, 4, 3, 2. Time now is 11:56. Number 1 section commander.
Sir!
Check back.
Time now is 11:56.
Correct. Ogru.
Sir!
Go and brief your men. And I wish you stand still. Sir, this marks the end of issuing of orders. May I ask for permission to carry on? Thank you, sir.
Brief!
bababajwe bari baragize mu gisirikare yakuye byaracitse iki tudasobanya gukorera hamwe gukorera ku gihe kandi vuba reka minisitiri w'intebe twazaza kwereka bimwe mu twagiye
nyakubahwa umushyitsi mukuru twaje tutazi kwirwanaho mu gihe twatatswe n'umwanzi ariko kubera iri somo ry'imikino njyarugamba twarabimenye.
Where I'm from, sometimes it's not always the safest place to be due to the multicultural environment, but at least now I can go back with a new form of self-defense. So mom, dad, grandparents, you don't have to worry about me anymore.
nyakubahwa umushyitsi mukuru benshi twaje tutazi ko akarasisi gakorwa twabibonaga kuri televiziyo tutazi gukata iburyo ibumoso inyuma kuri komande. turabashimira ko mwashyizeho n'isomo rya karasisi mu masomo twize.